Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today I want to show you how to fix the stuck verification code in Claude Desktop. So when you click the sign in magic link from your email and it opens in Claude Desktop, sometimes you'll have the behavior of the verification code getting stuck. So let's show you how to fix this. So on Windows, you'll just press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl Shift Escape to open up Task Manager, or the other option is right click your taskbar and select Task Manager, find Claude, and then hit End Task. This will fully close out of the app and relaunch Claude Desktop, and the verification code that was stuck should be cleared. If you have any questions, feel free to post those in the comments below. And if this helped, please consider subscribing and giving a thumbs up. It really does help. And as always, thanks for watching.